Bem-vindos ao Brasil. Welcome to Minas Gerais, a region known for its rolling hills, red earth, and strong agricultural traditions. This farm raises cattle and grows soybeans, two of the most important agricultural activities in Brazil. Brazil is one of the world's leading producers of beef. Cattle in this region typically graze on open pastures for most of the year, taking advantage of the natural grasslands and warm climate. Coming up ahead, we can see a beautiful group of young cattle. These are all female, and at this stage, they are known as heifers. They're old enough that they no longer need to stay with their mothers or rely on milk, but they're still not mature enough for breeding yet. That's why they are kept together here, separate from the bulls and from the older cows. Keeping them in their own group allows the farmer to manage their nutrition and growth more carefully. They get the right balance of pasture and feed to develop properly, without the pressure or stress that can come from mixing with older animals. They'll stay like this until they reach breeding age, which is usually around 15 to 18 months, depending on the health, weight, and management of each animal. This stage is really important in cattle farming because healthy, well-grown heifers are the foundation of a strong and sustainable herd. Stopping quickly to say hello to one of my cows. Up ahead, you'll notice a cattle guard on the road. It's a series of metal bars with gaps in between. Vehicles can pass over it easily, but cattle won't cross it because their hooves could slip between the gaps. It's a simple and smart way to keep the cattle inside the pasture without using gates, so farm operations and traffic can move freely. On many farms like this one, cattle are raised in low-density open spaces, where they have room to walk and graze. Managing pasture quality is one of the farmer's most important tasks. Healthy grass means healthy cattle. Sustainability in agriculture is about balance, producing food while caring for the land, the animals, and the people who live here. Farmers work throughout the year to protect the soil, preserve water sources, and maintain biodiversity. Animal welfare is another key focus. Good nutrition, clean water, and minimizing stress are essential to raising healthy cattle. Farmers manage herds carefully, watching for disease, monitoring feed, and ensuring animals are handled safely. The cattle here are mostly Nelore, a breed from the Zebu family. They originally came from India and are very well adapted to heat and tropical climates. Their white coat, loose skin, and the hump on their shoulders help them stay cool and resist insects. The Nelore breed is extremely important in Brazil. Most of the country's beef herd is Nelore. They do very well on open pastures and are known for being strong, calm, and efficient grazers, which makes them ideal for suitable grass-based farming in regions like this. On this farm, soybeans have been planted. Soybeans are also widely grown here in Brazil. They are planted, harvested, and rotated in cycles to maintain soil health. Crop rotation helps prevent soil exhaustion and reduces dependency on chemical fertilizer. In Brazil, farms must legally preserve part of their land as native vegetation. These protected areas help maintain natural habitats and protect riverbanks and water springs. Farms like this are part of the cultural identity of Minas Gerais, a region shaped by agriculture, family traditions, and deep respect for the land. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this peaceful drive through rural Brazil, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more journeys around the world.